So I'll just turn on a hotspot on my phone and I'll still be able to access everything that I need by, connecting my laptop through a phone hotspot. So you would think that that would be impossible to do, but it really works quite well. And so even through using a hotspot on the phone, you can get to everything you need. So I was able to pull up a CAD drawing one time at a client meeting and be able to look at it and give them an answer right then and there. "21 years ago now, I was looking to move back to Massachusetts from New Jersey, and I found SMMA, and I really loved that it was a full-service firm, that we can design pretty much everything to support a building. The work we do, whether it's in our K-12 studio or in our government group, is helping others. So we're helping by building in the natural environment and trying to do sustainable and appropriate design. So we didn't have any design contracts with the government, and now we have several $1 million worth. We did a series of Armed Forces Reserve Centers in the 2008 to 2011 timeframe, and those were really amazing projects. And I'd say the White River Junction facility that we designed was one of my favorite. And what I liked about it is that at the outset, we came with a plan that they had given us as a schematic. Here's what we want. And we took that plan and improved it tremendously. And not only that, but we took the outside skin and made it, it was up in White River Junction, Vermont. We made it look like it blended in with the surroundings. So you'd go to that building, you'd never know it was a military facility.
Technology is so much to handle for a company like this, which with the main business is not technology, the main business to design buildings and design spaces. Yeah, the turning point was security and all the risks that's coming up along cybersecurity. And that was something that basically over our heads. It was something that we couldn't get around it.
An ACEC Mass member firm actually had a recent incident where they were hit with a cybersecurity breach, and that was very concerning to them. For me, in addition to that, is just being a government contractor. We need to be very protective and careful about the information that we have.
We definitely weren't prepared, so that's when we're looking for help. When we look at many cloud providers, and we decided to go with IronOrbit because they provide an all-in-one solution for a monthly fee.
One more thing that I really liked is that it democratized our systems. It allowed all our users to have a higher-end machine throughout the firm, where previously, due to cost, we would have certain users get higher-end machines. Now we're able to put out all these systems at the same time with a higher spec machine.
IronOrbit's package and support has been tremendous. I found it to be an invaluable tool. I find that I can access whatever I need, wherever I am, whenever I want to. People want things right away. It's just been a tremendous ability to be able to get up on the cloud and use our resources, whether it's software, or whether it's particular documents. It's really been helpful. I do a lot of government work, so there's often Wi-Fi not available. So I'll just turn on a hotspot on my phone, and I'll still be able to access everything that I need by connecting my laptop through a phone hotspot. So you would think that that would be impossible to do, but it really works quite well. And so even through using a hotspot on the phone, you can get to everything you need. So I was able to pull up a CAD drawing one time at a client meeting and be able to look at it and give them an answer right then and there, instead of saying I have to go back to the office and check it. I think being able to be flexible with people and to know that people have a tool that allows them to be at their desk or be anywhere in the office, and you can connect right into your IronOrbit project. I was in a meeting today and I was able to be doing things on my laptop while others were doing things on the main computer, and just being able to kind of be collaborative in that regard. I think the flexibility to work remote is a huge part of being a family culture. Understanding that there are going to be times when there's an event that you need to be at, and you're going to work from home for a couple hours and put your work in, but also have that flexibility to have your family life as well. We're all in a competition for talent. We're all in a competition to do our work better, more effectively, collaboratively, and I think that this tool allows that. It allows people to work remotely when they need to and still be as effective as if they were in the office. It allows us to be flexible with people, so as we're trying to recruit and retain talent, we can give them the opportunity of, here's this tool, it allows you to work from home as you need to, here's some parameters by which we do that because we want to be collaborative, but those things are invaluable these days. You can't recruit and retain talent without flexibility. And I think just as a product, it's a great resource for people to have that backup protection of, a team standing behind a product to help us with our work.